champions setting the grid here for these guys. Final race of the weekend. West Coast Indoor Championships. Brought to you by Osmatics. Court marshals are ready. And our drivers are ready. We're going racing in less than 5. Our Mark 5 final race going down here is going to be Jacob Cruz out in front, tagging the pipe though. Cruz gets early, trying to hold on to it and tags the pipe again. Cruz going to go down to 5th. And our race leader is going to be the white car. Appears to be Brandon. Brandon out in front, EJ in the 2nd spot. Little Martinez strikes, but we got Jordan Thompson, 3-car breakaway out in front. Cruz in the 4th spot, scrambling with Lex in 5th. Oh, man. It looks like EJ picking up the top spot now. Brandon in 2nd, Jordan now in 2nd. Brandon down to 3rd. Jordan giving up a spot. Brandon back up in 2nd. EJ still at the points. Jacob at Lex battling for 4th. Looks like Jacob's fighting the car quite a bit there. A little waggle when he gets off power on the backside. So our race leaders in through the center of the course. Lex picking up 4th, and it looks like Jacob in 5th here. Down the backstretch, EJ Evans 12 flat, Brandon Quintz 12 flat, Jordan 12-4. EJ coming back across the start finish line, backing up that 12 with the 12-1. 1 minute and 30 seconds in, 3 minutes and 30 seconds left to go. Brandon Quintz in 2nd, Jordan in 3rd, one upside down on one side. That looks like Jordan. But looks like Lex may have picked up a spot. Jacob Cruz picking up that 3 spot. Jordan in 4th, and Lex rounding out the top 5. But EJ in the white, red, and blue down the backstretch. Brandon in the all white, and then Jacob Cruz is in his hot lap. In the fluorescent racing car, 2 in 3rd. Jordan down in 4th. Lex rounding out the top 5 here. 2:15 down and 2:45 left to go. We got 2:15 down and 2:45 left to go here. Race leader across the line, and Brandon Quintz in his 2nd spot. Lead battle down to the backstretch, separated by 3/10. Coming back across the start finish line already, 13.5, 12.9, and then backed up with a 12.1 for each. Identical lap times for our top 2. Battle of the white paint jobs in through the middle. And across the start finish line. EJ still holding on to that top spot. Brandon right there with the Cruz hitting another hot lap, 12 flat. But the hot lap of the race belongs to Lex Tyler, 11.6. Jordan Constant in 4th, Lex Tyler in 5th, and then White Collar in the 6th position. 3 down and 2 to go, guys. First across the line, 2nd across the line here. EJ and Brandon separated by 0.3. EJ tags the pipe, Brandon picks up the top spot. White car out in front now, down off the end of the straightaway. 1 minute and 30 seconds left to go, and 1:30 left. Clements, Evans, and Cruz. Take a look at the gap. So it's going to be 8/10 for Clements over Evans. Looks like a bigger lead now. 1.6 the gap, and now Cruz. Oh, Cruz picking up the 2 spot there off of EJ. First across the start finish line, 2nd across the line, and 3rd across the line. Just over 1 minute left to go. Alright, so we still got Jacob Cruz in the 2 spot, EJ Evans in 3rd. They are down the back straightaway, running out of time here, 45 seconds left to go. Our race leader across the start finish line, Brandon Quintz. Brandon back down the back straightaway here, 12.2, Cruz 12 flats, Evans 12.5. Jordan in 4th, and Lex in 5th. Last time it looks like Lex may have picked up 4th there. Jordan rounding out the top 5, Ed in the 6th position. Only 15 seconds left to go, guys. 15 seconds left. As the West Coast Indoor Championships comes to a close, it was a great inaugural event. Thanks to everybody for coming out. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. White flag is out, guys. When you cross the start-finish line, you will be done. Lex, you're done with 4th. Jordan, you're done with 5th. Brandon, you're done with the win. Jacob, you're done with 2nd. EJ, you're done with 3rd. That is the race, guys. Bring them in and shut them down. We're going to do some calculating and have our trophy presentation in a few minutes, guys. We got to get the pipe on the track. Should I make an announcement? You need help? All right, we need helpers to get the pipe off the track, guys. They're not doing the trophy presentation until we get all the materials off of the track, guys. So if you want to lend a hand and grab a couple of these pipes, we're going to dismantle the track and then we're going to do our trophy presentation.